Hello sellers! Today we will learn how to process your order on Flipkart. First, log in to your seller account on Flipkart. On the dashboard, click on Order tab and select Active Orders from the drop-down. Then select the warehouse or location that you want to check orders for. Once you click on that, you will be able to see all orders pending for processing under Pending Labels. First thing you have to do for processing your order is you need to create labels. For this, click on the checkbox at the left of Order ID and then click on Generate Labels. After generating labels, you have to update the LBHW, length, breadth, height and weight of your product and click on Update. After this, the order will be moved to Pending RTD. Here you are required to mark the RTD for your product, ready to dispatch. This can be done either manually or with the help of a scanner. Once the product is marked RTD, the same product will be moved to Pending Handover tab. Under this tab, you will be able to download the manifest and see all handover details. Once you have handed over this product to the FE, after this, you will be able to see the same order ID under In Transit. From the In Transit option, if your product requires any services after your product has been delivered, then that order ID would be moved to Pending Services before being moved to Complete Service tab. If your product is delivered successfully without any requirement of pending services, it will directly move to the Complete Services tag. You might also see some of the orders in Upcoming Orders. This means that the logistic capability of your area has been maxed out for that particular day. Once the logistic capability is back up, once you have emptied orders under Pending Labels, your orders from Upcoming Orders will be moved to Pending Labels. For more detailed Flipkart process videos, please like, share and subscribe for the latest information on Flipkart processes.